video I'm going to title talking about nothing and anything. So in order for you to get all of it, stay tuned and follow us to the end, and you will see what we are having for you. What's up, Philippines?
What's up, Philippines? No power.
Yeah, today we actually we lost our power today at home, so we said let's take a trip up and visit with her parents. And guess what? They have no power also.
Yeah.
That is kind of, sometimes I'm wondering what the logics are around power shutdowns during the day here. You know, we don't see much of power shuts down in the United States, but when they do shut down, a lot of times they do it at nighttime. And the line workers work. Here we go. We got
Harley.
Harley. We got some man's best friends here, but these ones are not very well behaved. They're like barking at everything, and it's hard to shut them down. So where were we?
We are here in Severa.
Yeah, we went up to Severa. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Oh, stop growling. All right, so let's see if we can get the dogs to be quiet here. What I was talking about, is what really doesn't make any sense, and that is the line workers being out at daytime. Here in Philippines, if they're going to do line work, they come in and shut down a whole city from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 p.m. and destroys every single business out there. Businesses don't have power, and in my opinion, that gotta cost millions every time they do it. There's 200,000 people living here in this area and in this region, and when they do it, luckily it hasn't been that much lately, right?
Yeah. But they don't conduct any announcement that they do.
No, sometimes, you know, they do announcements saying we're gonna do shut down the power. They announce it on Facebook and some other places. You see it.
Yeah.
But this time, nope. I just woke up at 8 o'clock. I was gonna go and make me coffee, and boom, the power was gone. All right, so enough of that. You hear a lot of animals here, but I call them turkeys, but they're not turkeys. They're roasters. Roasters. They're quiet today. Let's go and have a look at them.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go and see if we can.
Shake the roaster.
Shake the roaster, guys. I'm gonna walk out here and. Oh, there we go. Huh? There we go. That is Janice's mother and one of the neighbors. All right, so let's look at these little. Oh, there you go. Now he's screaming. Here's one of them, a white little one. Yeah.
They plant also a lemonade. No.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass. Lemonade.
They cannot plant lemonade, guys.
Oh, look, the tomato.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
is that your mom's?
No, that's
the neighbor here?
Yeah, the neighbor.
Yeah. They're creating some plants, planting a little bit. Yeah, so there we go. Let's see. Can we get them? Close up. He gets a little worried. He gets a little worried when you film him. Yeah, so here we got another one. I don't know if we can get him in there. We can try. There he is.
What is here?
Yeah, there is another one, and then you have another one right here.
I think they have 4.
Yeah, he has 4.
And one female.
Let me see. There is another one in here. See if I can get a shot at him. And now he started talking. I guess it sees me around here. Here is the other one there. I don't know how the video's coming out for that, but there we go. Yeah. So what's his intention with these things? Is he gonna start
Fighting.
fighting? Fighting them?
For hobby, not the illegal purposes.
Yeah. Well,
Cockfighting.
cockfighting is still illegal here in Philippines, right? So here's a little view. We were up here at New Year's and we did something here, but you couldn't see during the daytime. But here you can see streets, and here is our little boy. Here's our little boy, and then you have. It's a nice neighborhood, though. People keep it clean. So how you doing?
Ay, ano nangyari ang kamay mo?
Yes,
The female chicken is over there.
the female chicken.
Separate the female chicken
Why did they separate it?
because they're fighting when the female chicken is on the same area.
Oh,
They're fighting.
oh yeah. Well, there's 4 men on 1 female. Of course they're gonna fight. All right, so they have her over there. Let's go and look at it. Come on. Is that the one? Is that the one here? Look at her. Yeah. What brand are they? What race? Does your dad know? That's her dad, by the way.
I think she stopped producing eggs now.
She doesn't produce no eggs? No eggs?
Wala na yun, nag-donate tayo.
Okay. So why is she not producing eggs?
I don't know.
You don't know? Does hen produce egg just a short period of time,
Yeah,
or
just a short period of time.
how long? Ask your dad.
Ano lahiya ka, ano tayo, ano na bulan lahiya na gunay. Ano nga bulan nila gunay? Araw-araw yan? Ayun ang oras nila gunay ng adlaw.
Sorry guys, the dogs are going crazy here.
My father said this one is producing eggs. I think last month.
Right.
But this month, I think 1 week na she didn't produce eggs.
Oh, 1 week now she has not produced any eggs? And any reason for that, or?
Maybe my father said it's because of the food she eats.
Ah, maybe. Okay. So do they buy chicken food for them, or
Yeah,
do
we buy chicken food.
chicken feed?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. So that's a short little video about nothing and everything. But we are going to take a walk in the next video, and you see a preview here. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well, And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.